I Lost My Wife. Chapter 1. A Quiet Morning. My name is Jack Miller. I live in a quiet town called Maplewood, Ohio. It's one of those places where everybody knows everybody. The houses are old but charming. The streets are lined with maple trees, and life moves slowly here. For many years, it was the perfect place for me and my wife Emily. Emily was my world. We met in college in Cincinnati and moved to Maplewood after we got married. We wanted peace, a place to build our future, raise a family. Even though we never had kids, we had something just as strong, each other. We were married for 26 beautiful years. Then suddenly, I lost her. It was a Monday morning, cold and gray. I made coffee like I always did. Emily was still in bed. I remember thinking how peaceful she looked, her soft breathing, her hand curled under the pillow. But when I came back upstairs with her coffee, she was gone. Just like that. Chapter 2. The Empty Room. I still remember the way the coffee cup shook in my hand. I thought she was just sleeping. But when I touched her, she was cold. My knees gave out. I screamed her name over and over. The paramedics came. They said it was her heart. No warning, no signs, just gone. The days after that were a blur. People came by, brought food, gave hugs. I nodded, said thank you, but I didn't hear a word. My heart was numb. Her clothes were still in the closet, her slippers by the bed, her book on the nightstand, half read. The worst part was the silence. The house felt too big now, too quiet, too cold. Chapter 3. The Memory Box. A week after the funeral, I found the memory box. It was hidden in the top of our closet. Emily had made it during our first year of marriage. Inside were old photos, love letters, concert tickets, and a small notebook. She had written little messages in that notebook over the years, things she never said out loud. Pages filled with her thoughts, her love for me, her dreams, her fears. I hope we grow old together, one line said. I still feel butterflies when he smiles at me, another said. I cried like a child, hugging the box against my chest. Chapter 4. Letters to Emily. After she was gone, I started writing letters to her. Every night, I would sit at the kitchen table and pour my heart out onto paper. Dear Emily, I made your favorite tea today. I sat in your chair and imagined you next to me. I still hear your laugh in my head. I don't know how to live without you. Writing to her was the only thing that helped me feel close to her. It gave me peace, even if just for a little while. Chapter 5. The Grocery Store. 3 weeks after Emily passed, I went to the grocery store alone for the first time. It was harder than I thought. Every aisle held memories. The yogurt she liked, the cookies she baked every Saturday, the soup she made when I was sick. I saw a woman who looked like her from behind. Same hair, same jacket. I rushed forward, but it wasn't her. I stood there in the middle of the frozen food aisle, tears running down my face. People stared, but I didn't care. Chapter 6. Her Garden. Emily loved her garden. Even in winter, she would go out there and talk to the plants like they were old friends. After she died, I couldn't even look at it. But one morning, I found myself standing there, shovel in hand. I started pulling weeds. Then I planted her favorite roses. Then sunflowers. I talked to her while I worked. I know you'd tell me to water these more, I whispered. I miss your gardening hat, the one with the flower print. Working in that garden helped me heal, one day at a time. Chapter 7. The Church Bench. On Sundays, I started sitting on the old bench behind our town church. Emily used to sit there after service, watching the birds and reading her Bible. Grief doesn't leave you, Jack. You learn to live with it. Like a scar, it fades, but it's always there. But so is the love. That never leaves. Chapter 8. The Dream. One night, I had a dream. Emily was standing by the lake behind our house. She wore a white dress, her hair blowing gently in the wind. She smiled. "I'm okay, Jack," she said, "and you will be too." I reached for her, but she stepped back, glowing in the morning light. "I'm always with you," she whispered, before vanishing. I woke up crying, but for the first time, I also felt a little warmth in my heart. Chapter 9. A Letter Found. Months later, I found something behind our bedroom mirror, a sealed letter with my name on it. It was from Emily. She had written it on our 25th anniversary. "If you're reading this, I'm probably gone. I'm sorry, Jack. I didn't want to leave you, but I know you'll be strong. Love people. Help someone. Keep smiling, even when it's hard. And remember, I'll always love you, forever." That letter gave me strength I didn't know I had. Chapter 10. Giving Back. I started volunteering at the community center, helping with food drives, teaching kids how to fish, something Emily always wanted me to do. One of the kids asked me once, "Why do you help us so much, Mr. Jack?" I smiled, because someone I love would have wanted it. I began smiling more, laughing again, not because the pain was gone, but because I was learning to live alongside it. Chapter 11. A New Friend. I met Sarah at the library. She was a widow too. We talked about books, about pain, about our spouses. She wasn't Emily, and I wasn't looking for love, but we became friends. We had coffee every Thursday, sat in the park, shared stories. With her, I felt less alone. Chapter 12. The Letter I Never Sent. I wrote one last letter to Emily. "Dear Emily, it's been 1 year. I miss you every day, but I'm okay. I still cry. I still smile. I still talk to you when I water the garden. Thank you for loving me so well. Thank you for teaching me what love is. You'll always be my forever. Love, Jack." I placed the letter under her favorite rose bush. Then I sat there, listening to the wind in the leaves. And for the first time since she left, I felt peace. Chapter 13. The Road Ahead. I still live in the same house, the same garden, the same town. But I'm not the same man. Loss changes you. But love keeps you going. I didn't stop missing Emily. I never will. But I've learned something she always said. Life is short. Love hard. And that's what I'm doing now. Living with the grief, but also with the love. Because even though I lost my wife, I never lost her love. It's still here, in the garden, in the letters, in the wind, in me.